kitchen. Today let's make pork wrap of black bean. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow.
This is a recipe that you can find at any dim sum restaurant. It's very easy to make and packed with flavor. Now I show you how to make it. Let's get started.
Here are the ingredients. The exact amount is in the description box.
Let's start by cutting the pork wraps. These have been pre-cut into strips. Then soak it in cold water for half an hour. Now cut the white part of the green onion thinly. Separate from the green part. Then cut the green part thinly. Then cut the Thai chili and remove the stem. For the garlic, just mince it. After half an hour, strain the pork wrap and rinse it. Let's rinse the black beans. Now pack the pork wraps dry. Let's marinate the pork wraps. Add light soy sauce, oyster sauce, Shaohsing cooking wine, white pepper, chicken powder, garlic, black beans, and white part of green onions. Mix everything thoroughly. Now put it on a plate that you can steam. Make sure to spread the pork evenly. Spread the Thai chili on the top. Now steam it. Put the steam rack on the bottom of the wok. Then fill with water above the steam rack. Now cover with a lid and burn to a boil. When it's boiling, put the wrap into steam. Now cover it and steam for 25 minutes on high heat. After 25 minutes, take it out and garnish it with green onion. Now your dim sum pork wrap is done.
Wow, looks good. Time for taste test. The meat is very tender and juicy. It is savory. It's very good. It's a little bit spicy. The black bean is very fragrant. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, everybody. 再见。